Welcome to Soul Manifestation Review. You should have stories about people who have used the play for wealth, success, love, and health in life. But it can be confusing if you do not know how it works. Manifestation of the Soul is such a program that will help you achieve the true desires of your being and help you in the process of creating your reality. What do you really know about this program? Do you know if the soul really works, or not? In this video of soul manifestation you can find the answer to all your doubts. Do you know if a sinus manifestation program really shows you how to find your real purpose in life? There are not many reviews about the soul manifestation on the internet, so we decided to provide you with a well-informed and honest review. At the end of this soul manifestation review, I hope you will be able to choose the life you want, create your own ways, and live your life to the fullest. This is probably the true mission of every living soul who lives to fulfill it. About the Manifestation of the Soul program. The Manifestation of the Soul program is designed to help people regain control of their present and future and determine their own way forward. It is believed that everyone has a purpose in life and their soul wants to find it. Manifestation of the Soul helps people to understand the purpose of their own soul. This spirit manifestation program will give you a spirit reading where you will learn about the path that your soul travels through the current stage of life. In addition, you will learn about the challenges that hinder the progression of your soul towards its goal. At the same time, you will learn about the opportunities in your life that will help you move your soul forward and achieve your goals. This program offers many benefits, including: enjoy the living health you will be able to achieve and qualify for. You will learn to find suitable romantic partners to build a relationship with as deep in spirit as you always wish. The whole battle of your life will pay off and you will always experience the moment that is destined for you. You will get a lot of property and other material things that you deserve, but you do not know how to attract it into your life. Take on spiritual missions in your life that only you can. Understand the true purpose of your existence. Find a path that is suitable for your soul and help it transition to the earth during the transition period. How does the soul manifestation system work? The Manifestation of the Soul program will help you identify the skills needed to express your soul's desires and thrive in life. Manifestation of the Soul will help you discover the power and strength that enters your soul and help you create the life you have always wanted. When you work with the true effort of your soul, it always returns to you in the form of great relationships, abundance of wealth, inner peace, and many more. The soul manifestation will give you a soul reading path that will help you fulfill your greatest desire, the path your soul is currently on, and how you will reach its true place. As we have already mentioned in the review of the Manifesto of the Soul, you can experience transformation in your life, feel more energetic and powerful, and discover the true secrets of your soul and personality. The performance of the soul will allow you to learn about the challenges or obstacles that hinder the journey of your soul. Along with obstacles, at this point in your life you will also learn opportunities that will help you move forward on the true path created only for your soul. You will be ready to lead the life for you. Your soul will give you the expression and attraction of what you have always wanted and deserved. When your mind and soul are united, the life you want is easier. What do you see in this personalized soul reading? As you read this personalized soul, you will see the following. You will learn the secrets of your instincts that you may not know about. It will tell you who you are. You will receive an energy reading that will help you learn about the challenges that hinder your soul from reaching its true destination and how to overcome those challenges. With your light reading, you will learn about the possibilities of redemption, which will help you find the path to your true soul and fulfill the life mission you are about to accomplish. Get in-depth and insightful information about the purpose of your soul on this planet for a lifetime. Who owns this soul manifestation program? The question of the soul is to examine your soul and discover the true purpose of its existence. This program offers a personalized reading of the soul that can be used by anyone who wants to fulfill their desires. The Soul Manifesto Review says that if you feel you have lost your way, have no hope in life, or are stuck in a crisis, you can achieve soul reading with a spiritual fulfillment program that will help you develop your soul on its current path. In it you will learn to listen to your heart and soul and adapt to life and nature. Regardless of your age, gender, caste, religion, color or nationality, you can use this program with personalized reading if you wish. Once you understand the point where it is good to read the soul, but you begin to understand what it really means. Does the Spirit Manifestation Program work? When we visited the official site of this program to find information about the review of the manifestation of this spirit, positive feedback followed from people who have used this program before. It worked for them, so maybe it will work for you too. Properly used soul listening can be a powerful tool to understand the theme, purpose, and true truth of your soul. This will help you to understand the bigger picture of your life. If you think it is time to let go of your inner environment and discover your true nature, a soul-revealing program may help. Conclusion. According to some reviews of soul manifestation and our own opinions, soul manifestation provides a genuine reading about your soul and helps you realize your true potential. This personalized program has helped many people discover their life mission and fulfill it. If you are worried, does soul manifestation really work? Calm your mind. Whether you want to find your spouse or gain a lot of wealth, a sincere soul question will help you understand what to do. Sometimes, in the turmoil of today's life, people forget who they are and lose their way of finding themselves. Manifestation of the soul may be the solution for you. The team at Soul Manifesto has many years of experience helping people turn their energetic lives into their assigned lives. So if you too want to start the magical way of self-discovery and the life you want to live, I recommend you go for a personalized soul. Sometimes, it's hard to say what the difference is between you and your soul. Interfering with the spiritual search from the manifestation of the soul can awaken what you want. When you place your exterior with your inner core when you want and experience your desires become a reality. It will not take much from your side. You just have to enter a few details about yourself, read the spirit and then wait and see what you will find.